Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to another hot summer day here. We're gonna take a stroll today in between An Thuong 5 and 10 and see what's new over there, because every single week something is changing, guys. We are right now in the Thuong Da Nang street. I will show you a street sign with this coffee shop that is up, I don't know, 3.5 years already here. This is Thuong Da Nang. There you go, also a very important street. Now we're gonna cross into the bar street. You also have a lot of kois here. And this is basically the entrance to the local bar street here in the An Thuong area, but it's still not that many bars. And it would be nice if it's like a walking street. But I heard a lot that it's getting rowdy there. And I don't know. I don't know how it is at night in Da Nang, to be honest. I'm one of those people, or like the couples, that don't go out here at night. So I really don't know. But I still think it's not that crazy nightlife here in Da Nang. But let me know in the comments if you know better. Okay, that changed. So TD Mart is now here. There was a laundry place. Usually the laundry for the hotel. So this is An Thuong 5. Brand new apartment building is getting finished now. It is very interesting. Just last year there was nothing standing there. Nothing. Now we have a nail salon and apartment building on top, I think. And we still have the same building here, the Hive. It's crazy. There's a new Indian restaurant. There was a different store. I think it was Ken and Han or something before. Now it's an Indian restaurant. Surf shop moved over there. We have whey protein, supplement store, I guess. This is also new, but this is like, I think, a private house. It's super loud here. There's still construction going on this building here. 2 buildings actually next to each other. But when they are done, then I think there's no more construction in the street. We have koi sushi. It's also all new. And the Ayo restaurant, nice owner, really Italian. So you get a proper pasta over there. This is not open yet, but we already have a name, Passion Cafe. Okay. Else, this also changed. This was a cafe, now it's something else. Huh. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, what is that? Ah, the hair salon. Yeah, so much. It's changing all the time, guys. Really wondering what is in the next side street. One thing that does not change is the bun bao guy. From all the bun baos, I think this is the worst guy. The other ones are nice at least, but he's not nice. It's very aggressive and touching people and things like that, what is absolutely a no-no. I would never buy from him. And he also scams you. When you want to have one, I heard it from other people, he gives you 2 and double charges you as well. So if you want to have a bun bao, go to the other ones. Wow, there are bus groups coming here into Kong Cafe. That's interesting. So this is a stop from a tour group. They all go together to Kong Cafe. Crazy. I think they had that also in the city center, that they have bus groups coming to Kong Cafe. Very interesting, guys. I don't know what's going on here. I guess there was an incident, maybe a motorbike crash or something. Oh yeah, I don't know what's going on here. But if you crash into a local, then you're screwed. I mean, the best thing you can do is pay the local right away, and don't wait for the police, because else you're driving probably without a license. I think it can be very, very bad for you. Usually, I already heard. Usually, when there are some accidents, you pay the person. They don't require you to get police involved or something. You just pay you pay money right away. Depends who's the fault, right? But at the end of the day, even if the local is his fault, usually you will be the bad boy because you don't have a license. That's why it's not wise to drive around here without a license. Nothing really has changed here, to be honest. We're gonna check out this street. I haven't walked in there for long. I don't know what this is. It's only... Look at this. Can you imagine? This is a business with Chinese, Russian, and Korean. No English. No English at all. That also tells you exactly who are the biggest tourism factor here. It's not you. Whoever understands me in English? No, not you. No Europeans, no Germans. It's Chinese. I think it's China, Korea, Russia. Those are the top three. Who had a blast here last night? Yes, look at how many beer bottles there are here empty. It's crazy. Some apartment buildings, Tangerine, cocktail bar. Interesting, cocktail bar, okay. And then we have a lot of construction. So this is also new. There was nothing there. Now it's a building, a new apartment building. This is crazy. Hello, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah. I think the Cork Compass. I don't know what that means. It's a tavern. So there's gonna be a new bar here. Interesting. So this is already the Mad Dan, the Irish pub. And now they're gonna have a little bit more here. They will transform this pavement into a little seating area, which is fine enough because the street is pretty walkable. You don't need to have a pavement, but still, you take away the pavement, it's still weird. And here, so much has changed here. I already said it the last time. This whole street has transformed. But hey, we're gonna walk over there, cross the street, then go into An Thuong 10. I think there was a blast. So many people drinking beer here, probably. Look at this. Slavic pancake. Interesting. There's Slavic pancake street food vendors. Interesting. I think there's gonna be An Thuong 10, yes, that's An Thuong 10. With Irini, we're starting with Irini here. It's weird, I have still not ate there. I don't know why. But I only heard good things. All the Aussies who went here, I met, he was like, oh mate, that's great Greek, mate. So, I think it's good. But I have not tried it out yet. It's not my thing, I think. Greek. We have Bros Cafe here. Wow. Lots of huge construction sites here as well. Bros Cafe and Sandwich. That looks pretty modern, new. Yeah, it looks like a big construction site here, the whole thing. But this is apartment buildings, guys, brand new. They're just finishing it up. Oh no, you know what they're doing? Guys, I think it was an apartment building already, and now they're building on top of it a few more floors. I guess that's the new thing now. Just build a few more floors on top. You get a few more millions in there. Because some of those places go out now for 20 million dong. Imagine having 4 more apartments on your property. It's 80 million dong. Back then, 80 million dong would cost you to rent the whole building. Stylish. Huh. What is that? Pooches. What is that? It's Jersey, guys. Check this out. It's a German Jersey. Stussy. So I guess it's like a cool place. Hi. Interesting. That is so cool. Okay, so you can also buy snus there for all my sweets. I think more Scandinavian countries do snus, right? Maybe also Norway. And then Ganpi. I'm gonna go and head over for a nice haircut. But let's see what has changed here more. There's Merci Bakery. Oh my god, it's so hot. Gotta go in the shade. I guess that's pretty new, the Merci Bakery. I think it's maybe 2 months old or so. But yeah, there's a huge new building over there. It's so weird to see. Like this building, it was just like 1 floor and there was a bar in there, I remember. I filmed it when they opened the bar, and now it got demolished and it got a huge new apartment building. Crazy. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. This is a little bit of an update here in the neighborhood. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.